So now we are entering Dwarka Expressway from Delhi. So here we are entering Dwarka Expressway. As on our way we are going to reach the toll which separates Delhi Dwarka, and now we are about to enter Dwarka Expressway, Haryana. So this is the border. Now we have crossed the border. As you can see, the sectors which are at the beginning of the expressway are 113 and 111. 113 sector is on my right and 111 sector is on my left. Now as we move through this road, you can see the establishments of Smart World 1 DXP project, residential luxurious project coming up, which is 250 meters away from the toll of Dwarka Expressway, and along with that you can also see the project site of M3M's upcoming SCDA project, and here you can see the project site for SCDA, and the towers that you can see are of M3M's Capital. This is the sales gallery of Smart World. Now as we move ahead, we can see on our left Puri's Diplomatic Green project, and Puri's Diplomatic Greens is also in sector 111 of the Dwarka Expressway, and on the left side you can see the approach road. On the back side, Puri is coming up with the new launch of Puri Diplomatic Residences, which is just at the back side of this project. So we are on the road of sector 113 of the Dwarka Expressway, and now we are moving towards Delhi from the sector 113, which is the first sector bang on Dwarka Expressway. This is the M3M Experia Sales Gallery, and from here the M3M is operating for SCDA project. These are the towers of M3M Capital, which are in 113 sector. As you can see, 1 kilometer away is the toll fee plaza, which is the point from where Delhi and Haryana border is separated, and the Dwarka Express. This is the site for M3M SCDA project, which is upcoming project, and along with that you can see also the project site and the land of Smart World 1 DXP. You can see the construction going on, and now we are approaching towards Delhi, and you can see the signboards for Dwarka, Dholakwa and IGI airport, and now it's just a difference from the toll. It's a difference of 250 meters to 500 meters for both the projects, and both the projects are located on the side which is approaching Dwarka, Delhi. Now you can see the signboards for Dwarka sector 21. As we approach through this road, which hardly takes 60 seconds to enter into Dwarka sector 22-23, which you will see alongside this video. You can also see on the left side the magnificent Yashobhoomi India Convention Center on my left side, which you will see just now. You will have a glimpse of the convention center as we approach Dwarka through this road, and you can see the convention center now on the left side, and along with the convention center you can see the Urban Express road, which is connecting Alipur through Dwarka Expressway, which is a 77 kilometer stretch. And now through this road we are approaching Dwarka. You can see the Kanchanjunga apartments on my left, and on my right you can see the Delhi apartments. Just a 60 seconds drive, mere 60 seconds drive to Dwarka Expressway from this point, and it is operational, all the roads and both the projects are located there.